guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add more maps to Meccha Chameleon. So press maps here and you'll see a bunch of maps. Select the map that you want to download, press subscribe. It says this item has been added to your subscription. Some games will require you to launch them before the item will be downloaded. So once you have created your server and you can configure your map here, you'll see that the police station will be here. I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, maybe the preview won't work. And then you're just going to start game here. I don't think I can start. Oh, actually I can. So let's just do that. This is just like a tutorial anyways. So I think hopefully the map will be different. I don't know if I should have like restarted it or anything, but oh, okay. So the map will be immediately downloaded, and here's a new map that you can use. I guess, well, it's not new, but like you can download maps from Steam. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.